Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java programming series. In today's video, we are going to talk about logical operators in Java. So these operators are used to perform logical operation on Boolean value and they are very essential for decision making in programming. So logical operators are used to combine multiple Boolean expression or to interpret the logical state of an operand. So there are three main logical operators in Java: logical and, logical or logical not. Don't be confused. We are going to see the example in Java code. So first of all, we are going to declare two variables. So let's declare first. So I have declared two variables. Both are here Boolean. Boolean means either it will be true or false. So first of all, we'll start with the AND operator, which is used to combine two Boolean expression and it will return true if both expressions are true. That means if you remember in the last tutorial when we compare equal to, that means A value is equal to B, then we are getting the response as it true. Similarly, we will get here also. So let's print so you'll understand much more better. So I'm going to use this out and here let's type condition 1 and I'm going to use an AND operator. So again type condition 2. Use the plus sign. So first of all, we have to mention our first variable. Now use AND logical operator and change to true. So if both are true, that means you will get the correct answer. So if you run here, what will be happen? Here you can see we are getting answer as a false. So let's change as a true. Now both Boolean having same value. Now we are getting answer as a true. What will be happen if you change the value as a false? Can you guess? So here we are getting answer as a false because we are expecting both as a true. If both is true, that means AND operator will return here true. Next logical operator is here OR operator and it is used to combine two Boolean expression like the AND operator, but it will return true if at least one of the expression is true. You understand? So it will return true if any of these two variable is true, then we'll get answer as it true. So let's try to understand with example. So the sign is here, use the pipe, remove this and use this one. So we'll get answer as it true if any of these two variable is true. So in this case, both are false. So we'll get answer as a false. So imagine if condition 1 is here true, then we'll get answer as a true. Because in OR, it will just need any of these two variable is true. It will give you answer as a true. In case if both are true, then also it is fine. You can see here true. So if you want to understand much more better, you can try to combine these two and you can play with AND or operator. So you will understand in much more better way. So the third logical operator is logical not. It will just do like if the condition is true, it will revert as a false. Similarly, if the condition is false, it will change as a true. What happened? You got confused? Please don't be confused. Let's understand. So let's copy this thing. I'm just going to print here condition 1. So if we run, it will just print the condition 1 as it true because condition 1 is having true value. Now what will be happen? Let's give the symbol as a logical not. So if we run here, it will not change anything. It will just change our console statement because these are the string. So if we change here logical not, what will be happen? It will just revert the value. So condition 1 having value as a true, it will change as a now false. So let's run. You can see here. So whenever you want to revert the value of any Boolean, you can use the logical not. So these are the logical operator. Please practice so you will understand much more better because initially you can get confused. But once you start practice, everything will look very simple to you. So in the next video, we are going to discuss about Java unary operator.